Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Boost Unavailable on Facebook page. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If a page you own is showing that the Boost feature is not available for that page or for a specific post, it usually means there's an issue with your ad account. To resolve this, first go to business.facebook.com, which will open Meta Business Suite. Once there, make sure you select the correct Facebook page that's facing the issue. After selecting the page, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. The first thing you should check is your payment settings. If Facebook is asking you to verify your payment method or account details, follow the prompts to complete verification. Enter any required code and click the Confirm button. After verification, you'll be redirected to another page where you can manage your ads and settings. Next, check your ad account settings. On the left-hand side of the screen, scroll down and click on Ad Account Settings. This section will display all relevant settings tied to your ad account. Be patient as the page loads completely. It's important that there are no account violations or restrictions here. Additionally, go back and check billing and payments from the main Business Suite dashboard. Select the correct page again and go into Payment Methods. Here you'll be able to see if there are any billing issues, failed payments, or inactive accounts that are preventing the Boost feature from working. If your ad account is marked as inactive, you may need to complete verification steps or clear any pending issues to activate it again. Once everything is verified and your account is in good standing, the Boost button should be available again on your posts or page. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Boost Unavailable on Facebook page. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.